Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat, and let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app. And after opening your Snapchat app, guys, at the top left corner of your screen you can see a Bitmoji icon or your profile picture icon. Tap on it. And on this interface, again at the top right corner of your screen there is the settings. Tap on settings. And on this interface, guys, scroll down a little bit, and there you can see the app preferences just above the public profile settings. Tap on app preferences, and over here, guys, you can either choose the always light or always dark, and you'll be required to restart the Snapchat app. Let's restart this, and you can see, guys, we are on the dark mode of Snapchat. And with that being said, guys, this is how you can turn on the dark mode on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.